Do you have multiple sclerosis? Does it affect your balance and your ability to just do ordinary life activities like cooking and dressing and cleaning and even hygiene activities? A lot of times multiple sclerosis can impact your ability to just even walk in the community and do the things that you used to love. My name is Justin Gilligan. I'm one of the owners of TheraFit Rehab, and on March 26th at 5 o'clock across all of our locations, we're putting on a multiple sclerosis workshop. We're going to be talking all things multiple sclerosis, spasticity management, stretches that you can do to help impact your limberness and your ability to move, strengthening activities. Yes, we're going to debunk exercise and strength. You can get stronger with multiple sclerosis, even though it's a progressive disease. These are all common things that we see in patients that they have no idea that there's this kind of help and this kind of activities out there. So if you're interested in this workshop, all you need to do is click the link below. It's going to be from 5 to probably about 6:30. We're going to have drinks. We're going to have snacks. You need to click the link below, sign up, and I urge you, sign up now because there's only 20 spots available due to space constraints at some of our locations. So if you're interested, sign up now. We will call you. We will reach out just to make sure that your spot is saved and that you are indeed coming because, again, we provide a lot at these events and we want to make sure we have all the materials, drinks, snacks, and everything lined up for you. So if you're interested in this, it's a completely free event, but I do urge you, sign up now. We'll look forward to seeing you there. Thank you. See you soon.